In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Steam account to Epic Games step by step, so you can connect your accounts quickly and start enjoying a smoother gaming experience across both platforms. Whether you want to sync your game library, unlock account-related features, or simply keep everything connected, this guide will walk you through the full process in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech and gaming guides. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Epic Games account using the email and password linked to your profile. If you're already signed in, you can skip this part and move straight to your account settings. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Account. This will take you to your Epic account settings page, where you can manage your profile, security options, and connected services. On the left sidebar, you'll see several different tabs. Click on Linked Accounts. This is where Epic lets you connect external platforms and services to your account. Now scroll through the list until you find Steam. Once you see it, click Connect. Epic will then open a new sign-in window or prompt, depending on your browser settings. This is where you'll log into your Steam account. Enter your Steam credentials and complete any verification steps if prompted. After signing in, Steam will ask you to confirm the connection. Carefully review the permissions, then click Allow or Link to finalize the process. Once you confirm, your Steam account will be successfully linked to your Epic Games account. You should now see Steam listed as connected inside your linked account section. If you ever want to manage or disconnect it later, you can return to the same page and update your account connections anytime. And that's it. You've now learned how to link Steam to Epic Games in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you want more gaming account tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.